This is the Tascam DR-22WL stereo audio recorder with Wi-Fi support. This device is around $150 in the same price range as Zoom H2N. This is the warranty and the manual. This is the USB cable. These are the batteries. And this is the recorder. It's all plastic, but feels like a durable plastic. I don't like the buttons quality, but it's okay. Here are the power and volume buttons and headphone line out jack. On the other side we have the mic jack and the micro SD slot. They also give you a 4 GB micro SD card, which is very nice. Here we have the menu buttons, which enters the setup menus. There are 4 tabs with options. One for recording setup, one with audio tools, the setup settings, and info. On the first tab you can select the recording audio format, stereo, mono, auto function, dual format recording, MP3 and WAV at the same time, which is nice. On the tool tab we have the marks, skip mode, divide, auto divide, reverb options, speaker on or off, and metronome. On the setup tab we have the media format, which formats the SD card, backlight timer, display contrast, Wi-Fi settings, auto power save, battery type, alkaline or rechargeable, date and time, file name, and factory reset. And on the last tab we have file info, card info, and firmware version. Pressing the home button returns to main screen. The device looks nice, but don't expect something very high quality. On the back there is a tripod mount. If you compare this device with a Sony recorder or Olympus, it looks like an elephant. It's very big, but still feels like durable in some way. They added this nice wheel from which you can quickly select the Sane mode. Now let's test the Wi-Fi feature with the Android app. It has a nice Wi-Fi button on the device which turns it on or off. This makes the connection very easy, but you still have to confirm the connection from another button here. You also have the Wi-Fi settings on the display with the password. We have to connect the phone to the Tascam Wi-Fi. I already have entered the password, so it will be quick. Now let's start the DR Control app, which you can find in Google Play Store for free. The app looks nice, but it's still full of bugs, which it's a shame for a big company like Tascam. Here we have the input settings, low cut frequency and level control display. When you press back, it closes the app instead of returning to the previous menu. Very strange. So we have to start it again. Here we have the menu where you can select a few options: record settings, record auto function, date time setting, and firmware update, which is very strange because you have to be connected to the internet to do it, but it's impossible while your Wi-Fi is connected to the device. Here you can select the file format, sample rate, stereo or mono, pre-rec and dual format recording. The menu look horrible, also the light blue color sucks. Every time you try to click back, it exits the app. Now let's see how record works and how much delay we have. About a half a second. It's acceptable for a Wi-Fi connection. That's it for now. I will not go into details and audio quality yet. For that I will make a more detailed review later. Thanks for watching, and if you liked the review, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Thanks.